Namaste. Good morning, all of you. We are meeting on a special momentous occasion of 151st birth anniversary of the Father of Nation, Rashtrapita Mahatma Gandhi, and of the second Prime Minister of India, Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri. His is 117th birth anniversary. Incidentally, both of them have lot of similarities. Every year on 2nd October, I am reminded of the one beautiful film song. आज है 2 अक्टूबर का दिन, आज का दिन है बड़ा महान, आज के दिन दो फूल खिले थे जिनसे महका हिंदुस्तान. Very true to each and every word. Both of them. एक का नारा अमन देश का, दूसरा जय जवान जय किसान. Both of them have lots of similarities. Though Gandhiji was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, and Shastriji was born on 2nd October 1904 in Mughalsarai, UP. Both had very different lives. Both of them, they had different childhood and different struggles of life. Both of them they have faced. Gandhiji's life was totally different, and Shastriji's life was really filled with lot of penury and poverty and struggles of life. But then both of them were truly patriots. They were very, very nationalistic in their character. Both of them believed in human dignity. Both of them rose to become great scholars, and both of them had great love for their nation. Both of them loved Indian languages. Both of them believed in simple living and high thinking. Both of them had strong belief in vegetarianism and non-violence. Both of them, they stood for real values of life: determination, hard work, and sincerity to the core. And two words which I really loved from Ma'am Kiran Bedi's speech was that both of them were self-driven towards the path of righteousness. They were really leaders of leaders in the true sense of the word, because nobody taught them anything. Nobody told them that you have to do like this. Especially we have lots of instances in Gandhiji's life where Gandhiji took a lot of lead everywhere. For example, in Dandi March, nobody told him that you have to lead. Nobody told him that, and he never also told that I will wait till 500 people follow me. He didn't wait for the followers. He got the followers automatically. So that's the lesson which we all need to learn from Gandhiji's life, Shastriji's life, that in order to be a leader, you don't need to wait for anyone. You don't need to wait for the followers. You don't need to wait for the media to come. What you need is be determined, be sincere, be honest, be truthful, be responsible, be punctual. Sense of responsibility is such an important requirement, and today we find it so important for all of you, those who are here, who have to be responsible towards their own lives, because your learning has become totally dependent on you yourself. If you don't take your steps, nobody is going to help you. Therefore, Gandhiji's values, Shastriji's values are relevant, more relevant even till today. Therefore, please let us once again take a pledge as a nation that we learn from our leaders. Those leaders have become totally scarce today. What we find is only the race, only for the chair, only for money. But the people with real qualities have become very rare. My dear students, today we need leaders of that caliber. Those who had their own sense of responsibility. Those who knew what it means to be real, truly patriot. Because one thing which we all need to do is be determined, be strong in our own conviction, in our own thinking, and always take the first step. Remember, if it's not me, then it's nobody. Therefore, be the leaders that you need to be. Thank you so much for joining me for today's online commemoration of Gandhiji's and Shastriji's Jayanti. Thank you so much. Have a good day.